kind of, continue with wellness and feeling good, and we all had the vitamin D naturally over the weekend. So there are numerous medical therapies that are available for illnesses, but how about natural therapies? How can they help our health?
Right. Well, here to tell us is Dr. Julie, who is a naturopathic physician with the Summit Natural Wellness Center in Akron. And
Hi.
Julie, so good to see you.
Thank you for having me today. So happy to be here.
I'm excited about this topic.
I know. We were already talking. We were like,
what?
We were both asking each other, what is naturopathic medicine?
So naturopaths are primary care doctors that are trained and specialized in natural and alternative medicine. So our treatments include diet and lifestyle modifications, vitamins, minerals, herbs, homeopathy. So we have a lot of tools to help people get their health on track.
I think the obvious question would be, how do you incorporate this into your health care? Does that make sense?
Yeah, that's a good question, because it can be confusing for people. Sometimes people feel like they need to choose one or the other. They might need to choose naturopathic or conventional medicine, but we really believe in integrative care, which is the idea of combining the best tools from both worlds, and you can do that. And naturopaths are trained to understand biochemistry of prescription medicines, so we can incorporate those safely with our natural therapies. And
so you're not anti,
absolutely,
like just for anyone out there?
No, absolutely not. No, we believe in using the best options from both worlds, and it's definitely, I think that then opens up just so many avenues for other tools that people can use. And yeah, so we want to have the best of both worlds.
Right.
That's great.
So what are some of the natural therapies that you use? Can you dive into those?
So in terms of diet and lifestyle modifications, we might help people figure out like what particular diet is best for them. We do food allergy testing so that we can figure out which foods are causing inflammation for someone. We also incorporate things like stress modification.
Hallelujah.
Nobody needs that, right?
No.
Yeah. So stress is a huge player for illness.
Well, I mean, and then it takes your immune system down.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So part of what, a big focus that I like to put on this time of year is cold and flu season. And yeah, when your cortisol levels are up, your antibody levels and fighting immune fighters go down. So stress modifications. And then we use herbal supplements and vitamins and minerals. So we have combination products from all over that we use that can help people with acute or chronic illnesses.
I feel like I want to get back to the vitamins and the herbal supplements, but I still want to stay with the cold and the flu, because all we're hearing about is how this is such a horrible year for cold and flu, right?
It is definitely a pertinent topic
It's very much a thing, and we're hearing, you can still get the shot if you haven't already done so, and all these things. So what kind of lifestyle changes can we do to maybe avoid cold and flu altogether?
Well, obvious stuff is hand washing, but I mean, that's just a no-brainer. But we sometimes will incorporate essential oils. So essential oils are plant oils that are naturally antimicrobial, so they're very safe for humans and pets. You can add those to your soaps, and sometimes we'll actually have people use those to disinfect their areas. You can add it to a little spray bottle of water, spray your surfaces, and that's going to kill the bugs on your surfaces.
Where do you get that from?
You can get it at most health food stores.
Oh, wonderful. Okay. What about our diet? Are there things that we can kind of do to protect ourselves?
Yes. So sugar's your enemy. If you all didn't know that, sugar is not good for you.
Oh. That means chocolate.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
So,
no, it's okay. We have to learn these things.
Sugar, a teaspoon of sugar cuts the immune system in half for up to 2 hours.
This is amazing to me.
Yeah.
It really is amazing.
So sugar is...
I knew it was bad. I just didn't know it was...
It's really bad.
Well, we have a major problem, Molly.
We have an issue.
And here's some interesting... There are certain foods that are not good to use when you're getting sick. So dairy, citrus, which is surprising to a lot of people, because a lot of people think, oh, I'm just going to drink this big glass of orange juice.
What?
Yeah.
I've been living my whole life wrong.
Wait, so vitamin C?
So that orange juice is full of sugar, for one thing.
Okay.
And then you've got some citrus is going to increase mucus. So that's not your best option. Bananas are also a little bit mucus increasing, and soy. So those are things to avoid. And then lots of leafy greens are things you want to eat. Leafy greens, colorful vegetables. And some people forget protein. Protein is actually the raw material your body uses to make your immune cells. So if you're not getting enough protein in your diet, your immune system's not going to work well. So we don't just want to eat in vegetables. You want some beans, nuts and seeds, poultry, seafood. We want some good proteins too.
But no orange juice.
No orange
I'm
juice
sorry
because
to
of the
break the
sugar, but
news.
that does make sense. It really does.
Mm-hmm.
Quickly, we only have a few seconds left, but any supplement that really stands out to you to keep our immune system strong?
So one of my favorite herbs is golden seal, which is contains berberine, and berberine is like a natural antimicrobial. It helps lower your blood sugar and it helps heal your gut. So it's a beautiful herb to incorporate, golden seal.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. We appreciate it.
It's been very educational.
Yes.
All right.
Okay, well, you can reach out to Dr. Julie Flynn at 330-928-6685. And I believe there's also snwcenter.com.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you for
This
having
is a really
me.
interesting topic and very helpful.
Really appreciate you having me and spreading the word about natural medicine.
Our pleasure.
This segment of It's About You was furnished by the Summit Natural Wellness Center.